Please subscribe to the Eyes of Owen.
Owen, I love you too much. Huh? I love you long time. You forget me.
Now then, I've got about an hour or so to kill, hour and a half. Just setting my hotel reception. It's warm in there, even though I've got the fans on and whatever. So I'm gonna walk down to the beer garden. I'm gonna have one last Leo, and then I can just walk around the corner, get on the BART bus to Jomtien. I'll get a bus around about 1 o'clock, half one-ish or whatever, 2 even. Get me to Bangkok, 3, half 3. Flight is at 7:30. Plenty of time, Owen. Plenty of time. Or do I just go to Jomtien now, get on the bus and sit around in the airport for ages? Decisions, decisions, decisions. So, cutting down 13.1. Cool breeze. Cool breeze. Get a back bus to the beer garden. Have half an hour there, 40 minutes. And then commence my journey. Sad to be going, to be honest. I'm a bit pissed off. Should I extend my stay? Change my flight for another month? Could do it. Could do it. Oh dear. Got a bit of cool breeze down here. I love this GoPro, it's not let me down. It's fantastic. GoPro 8 Black. Howdy, tap. Sorry, cup Leo, please. Sweltering. Cheers, big ears. Phil Collins on now. Good music in here. The next bus is 2:30. It's now 10 to 1. This one's full. So I shall go find myself an air-conditioned cafe or bar and just sit and chill. I don't know if there's anything here. I'll have a look. Never mind, Owen. It'll work out better because I won't have to wait as long in that ghastly airport. Right, but I'll wait for my bus, so stopped at this Norwegian bar, early in Harlem special, like that. Another Leo. A Leo for Harlem. Harlem, Harlem is a blue Norwegian lad. Right, well, I've finished my second beer and time to head to the bus station. Got about 45 minutes before it goes. I'm going to call at 7-Eleven up there and get myself some snacks when I'm in the airport, and I don't have to pay them ludicrous prices in there. And I'm also going to try and get my final durian ice cream. That's if they sell them, I hope they do. The final one. And then sit on that bus, try and get my head down for a bit. Soon be back in Savannipum. Just been reading a few comments on the site on my mobile phone. One of them said something like, I thought you were going to take it easy. Well, I have been taking it easy, but if you remember in England there used to be an advert, it might have been in the 70s, 80s, and it applies to me. The advert was, Weebles wobble, but they don't fall down. I've been sat here at this Norwegian restaurant, just having a beer, waiting for my bus, smiling away the minutes. So I had a look through the menu, and these Norwegian types don't half eat some funny stuff. A lot of it's fish related, and lammy fricassee, lamb casserole perhaps, pinnekot talakern, versus beef tenderloin. That sounds like beef tenderloin. And oh, there's all sorts of weird stuff. We've got a breakfast for Lauren Hare, service med flott tea sauce, studi, grønnsaker, tittibar og kotti potato. Now the only word there that caught my eye was tittibar, but it does say tittibar. I'm going to show you. Tittibar. They're all like it. Durian ice cream, a packet of crisps and a packet of Mentos. I'm happy with that. A load of ladyboys on the right. I'll talk at the camera and see if I can catch a glimpse of them when I walk past. Hello! Durian, alright man? Loads of them. God for that, it's like being on a roller coaster. Oh dear me, that was hard work. That was red hot, and I sat at the back, but we've got it here. Gate end. That journey took 2 hours. It's now 4:30. Fly 7:10. Gloria Jean's coffee over there. 150 baht for an Ireland. It's lovely. One of the best coffees I've ever had. Just after 6 o'clock and going down the gate about 5-10 minutes. 1905 door, gate E7 open. Straightforward process, getting through immigrations to the departure lounge. A little bit slow being stamped out, but that's just how it is. Quite smooth. But next time I'm going to be travelling with just one bag. Cut it right down. I'll just have my laptop, camera equipment, a couple of changes of clothes, shorts and t-shirts, and when I arrive in Thailand I will buy my toiletries, I will buy a few t-shirts and shorts, and when I come back I'll just leave them behind, just cheap stuff. So that is my plan for my next trip. When that will be, who knows, but I've enjoyed this one, enjoyed it immensely. Got a gate E7, always seems to be at the end of my gates, never mind. So, got on this plane in a minute, get my head down, don't feel tired really, but I feel alright. I've timed everything to perfection, from just getting a coffee, getting through immigration, and even having a number 2 before I get on there. That's a relief, innit? You know what it's like, you don't want to be sat up there bubbling up. Well, this is the first leg back to the old Owen.
Hi, welcome on board. 44C. Sir, please do not see the crew.
Okay,
yeah.
thank you.
On the first one.
I've got it to my seat, I got told off for filming the crew when I come through the door. Who's a naughty boy? Don't do it again. She was alright, don't film the crew, sir. She was alright, sorry. I wasn't filming the crew, I was going to film the route to my seat. 44C. So I'm just heading to the transfers now. Nice smooth flight. Watched 2 movies, Hercules and a film called The Living with Bill Nighy. Quite a posh place, isn't it? Huge airport, absolutely huge. So I got back in England. Chaos because you can't find a gate to land because of works in the airport. You're stuck on here for 20 minutes. Got to go down these steps. Typical England. It looks like they're doing a lot of work in the airport. My main concern is my train cancelled. And how they're going to get me home. Well, I've got this long walk down here now. Good flight. I watched the first leg, I watched 2 films. Hercules, absolute lot of shite. Wooden acting, pathetic. Second film, it was called Living with Bill Nighy, you know, the old English guy, the actor. That was quite a moving film. And on the second leg I watched Bisping, about the UFC fighter, like a documentary. Very emotional. What a guy, what a guy. I was in tears. But sat next to me was a guy from Somalia who couldn't sit still. He had right long arms and was wriggling about all the time. And he spent most of his time with part of his body in my side of the space. I felt like saying to him, you owe me 100 quid. Because you sat on my side more than you were sat on yours. But it was alright, just a young lad. I can use this ticket to Piccadilly now. Yes? Right, no trains whatsoever, only got a Wales, no good to me. So the guy sent me Piccadilly station, there's a free bus to Charlton Street bus station. Now there might be buses, even if it's not to Lancaster, to Blackpool or Preston, and then I'm going to get a taxi from there, or another bus from there. Right, I've just been to Charlton bus station. The nearest bus to where I live is Blackpool, and that is full. The next one is 3 o'clock this afternoon. I'm gonna have to get a taxi. But there's taxis lying around everywhere. So I'm gonna have to start asking. It'll be about 120 quid. Crap. Try and hide that United badge. Alright, pal.
Alright, kid.
Right.
You alright?
Yeah. Please subscribe to the Eyes of Owen. You've got to say that.
Alright. Please subscribe to the Eyes of Owen.
That'll do.
Why you won't make me you?